And the craziest thing about this is I started making $100 a day doing this, and you guys can do it too. And it's so simple. All you have to do Hey, what's up, Freedom Nation? It's Romeo here, and I'm here to show you how I was able to make $100 a day passively with affiliate marketing using one video and one promotion to do it all. And I'm going to show you the exact steps that I did to do that. Now, before we get started, guys, I'm going to show you some screenshots right here of my affiliate dashboard of some of the earnings that I've earned over the past 10 months. Now, this is only to show you that this actually works, because here in this channel, I really want to share with you guys the things that I'm actually doing, things that I've actually shown other people how to do. And so if it can work for me, it can work for somebody else. I know it can work for you too. Now, for the past couple of years, I've actually dabbled in different businesses, and affiliate marketing being one of them. But for last year, I really doubled down and got serious, and my goal was to master affiliate marketing. There's so much money to be made with affiliate marketing if done correctly. And I say correctly for a reason, because there's so many scummy scammers out there that are ready for the money grab, but are not willing to really show exactly what it is that the listeners or the viewers need in order for them to really benefit from the content that they're providing as an affiliate. In order for affiliate marketing to work correctly, your need for money should not be a priority. Here's what I mean by that. Anyone and everyone who's watching a video can sense someone's true intent. They can sense your intent to really help them, or the intent that you're only in it for the money. And if you're only in it for the money, I'm sorry to tell you that affiliate marketing will not work for you, because naturally you should come and approach the situation, or your content should gravitate the listener by offering them something that they need, and they can then make the decision if they want to go ahead and purchase or not. But in order to grab their attention, you need to come off where you're giving off information, and you're doing so freely without asking anything in return. Your tone, your body language, all of that speaks to the viewer, and you need to pay attention to that. Shoving down a product down someone's throat is not the way to go, because it's like having that annoying family member or friend who's in MLM or multi-level marketing, who's trying to get you to join their team and buy their product and nonstop until they make a sale. And then you know that they're not in it for you, they're in it for them. And so you're just totally turned off by it. Likewise, in affiliate marketing, if the viewer can sense that you're in it for yourself and that's no good for them, they're not going to be interested in purchasing at all. And that's a complete turnoff. Trust me. So with that being said, how was I able to generate $100 a day using only free traffic? Well, I use the #1 free video traffic platform in the world, and that's YouTube. YouTube is one of the most underestimated platforms, because people worry so much about providing, the right content and being camera shy and producing the actual video. First off, making videos should not be complicated. And later on, I'm gonna show you guys a sample of what I mean and how you can make a simple video on YouTube in order for you to get your first sale. Over the past few months, I've gotten over my shyness for being in front of the camera and gotten over the fear of people seeing my face, and decided that once I was gonna start this affiliate marketing thing, that I was gonna promote a product that I actually purchased, that I actually used, and actually had some success with, in order for me to make a legitimate video helping people to do exactly the same. And so I made a review video on my channel showing exactly how my experience was, and also walking them through the actual platform on the digital site that they would be getting after they purchased. I talked about how it transformed my thought process on entrepreneurship and e-commerce. I talked about how it helped me change my circle of people around me. I talked about how it opened me up to new business ventures that I did not know was available. And also, last but not least, the amount of new like-minded business entrepreneur-minded people that I was able to meet along the way, with goals and dreams that were bigger than themselves, which was one of the most important things. That's something that money cannot buy. So here's the scary part. So after producing my review video, it was about 3 weeks. Every single day for the first 3 weeks, I was checking my account day in and day out. And then literally I just stopped after week number 2. And then when I went back at the end of week 3 into week 4, so it was almost about a month, the money just kept coming in. Now, let me tell you, this completely shocked me. I thought I did something wrong at first because it took so long for the results to show, but that was my newness into the whole world of affiliate marketing. It takes time for that momentum to build, but once it builds, it continues to grow if you nurture it properly. Now, my first sale was actually close to $204. And shortly after, 24 hours later, I made another $204. It was insane. So now, if you think about it, that's how some of the sales were coming in. So when I say $100 a day, if you divide out the $400 in the week or the amounts that I received in one day, you spread them out per day, you would make about $100 a day. And I did this consistently, $100 a day for like 4 months straight. And the rest came sporadic. I stopped paying attention to it because I was looking at other business ventures. But, you know, just focusing on affiliate marketing is going to be the goal this year, and I want to show you exactly what you can expect. Now, by this point, somewhere like the end of last year, I had racked up about $10,000 in one video and one promotional product, all with free traffic. Now, here is all you need in order to do exactly the same. Check it out, it's gonna be 4 things. Number 1, you need a YouTube account. Number 2, you need to know what product or service you're going to review along with an affiliate link so that way you can tag it in the descriptions on your video. Number 3, you're gonna need a smartphone or some type of camera that can record you, whether it be a webcam or on an actual camera. And number 4, you need a computer. It'll make things easier with editing and posting. It just makes your life a whole lot easier. Some of it can be done on your smartphone, but trust me, a computer is probably gonna be in your best interest. And that's it. That's all you need in order to do and replicate exactly what I'm showing you. Now, once you have that, you have the choice of doing one of 3 things. One is doing a tutorial or a walkthrough about the product, which is what I believe is the best option. People, gravitate towards that the most. Number 2, benefit or a solution to a problem that you already know exists. That's another great one. And number 3, talking about your own personal experience with the product, most likely good, because if it's bad, unless your channel is about that, talking about good and bad reviews, but most likely a good review because people want to know if something's good or works out for them. If your channel is all about reviews, then you want to obviously give a truthful review. You don't want to say something is good when it's really bad. So if it's good, you want to make a video about it, go ahead and make a video because people are going to be more inclined to actually have the same experience. Now, the next step is to shoot the video. Now, once you've completed the video and made the necessary edits using either Microsoft Movie Maker or you can use another program that's totally free, open source, called Shotcut, which is completely free. You can find the link in my description. It's a completely free one, open source. Anyone can get it. For Apple, for Windows and Linux, all that's compatible. And then if you're on Apple, Apple normally comes with iMovie. All of these are super suffice to get this job done. Major key, make sure that the keywords that you use either in your title, in your tags, and in your description are all super relevant because that's very, very, very important, especially YouTube being a search engine-based video platform. People are only going to be able to find your videos through keywords and keywords that are relevant, meaning suggested videos or the up next features. So you need to make sure that your keywords are relevant to make sure that your video pops up with whatever topic you're talking about. So if it's about health and wealth, you want to talk about burning belly fat or losing weight or nutritional dieting. You want to talk about keto diets, any popular diets that are going on right now. You need to be on top of those keywords. And also, like I said, make sure that that affiliate link is one of the first things that they see, because when you're watching the video, literally you can only see the first 3 lines that pop up in your descriptions. So the quicker that they can see it, the easier it is for them to have access to your link. And your affiliate link, like I said, is only a unique link that's given to you from the company who is allowing you to promote their product. That's unique to only you, so that way when you produce a sale, they know it came from you and you'll receive the credit for it at no cost to the buyer whatsoever. If you guys are completely new to affiliate marketing, I definitely do have a video. You guys check out the card up top. It's Affiliate Marketing 101. It really breaks down what affiliate marketing is, how it started and all that. So check out that video. Now, just to go the extra mile for you guys, because I love you guys so much at Freedom Nation, I literally created a simple, super short video promoting one of my favorite books of all time, and it's the Expert Secrets book by Russell Brunson himself. I'm gonna do this for you only because to show you the simplicity. I'm gonna be using only my iPhone to shoot this video, and it's the front-facing camera just for those of you who are super tech savvy to ask me later. And it's gonna be a simple shot that I'm gonna shoot for you. Check it out right now. If you're anything like me and you struggled for the longest on how to turn your message into a movement online to on social media platforms and not able to sure how to do that, well, let me give you something that'll probably help solve that issue. This book right here by Russell Brunson called Expert Secrets is literally an underground playbook from A to Z that shows you how to turn your message into a movement. Russell has been probably one of the top entrepreneurs to teach others on how to do exactly what he did. He's the creator and founder of ClickFunnels, and let me tell you, if it wasn't for this book solely, I would not have a YouTube channel. I would not have, the momentum that I have behind me pushing my content to show others how to make money online like I've learned on my own time. And now I'm able to share that message, and my goal is to turn into a movement so that people can also learn to do the same. So if you guys who are entrepreneurially minded or even the slightest bit interested on how to do this, turning your message into a movement, there's a link below in this video that'll show you exactly how you can get a copy of this book. It's a free plus shipping, and let me tell you, it's the best $7 to $8 I've ever spent in my entire life. One of the best investments. If you have a library like I do of like top entrepreneurial books, this definitely needs to be an addition. And if you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comments below. I love going down there and interacting with you all. If you have questions about how this book has literally changed my life and my outlook on the entrepreneurial journey, I'll see you guys on the other side. Now, you have no excuse for why you can't start this today. Now, if you guys really enjoyed this video and like to check out more information about Affiliate Marketing 101 and how to get started, guys, check out this video that I literally created just for the beginners. It really does walk you through the newbie, terminology. And also, the first link in the description is going to be an affiliate crash course 101 that I created. It's a tool PDF that is really interactive. So download that and get access to that. So that way you can also join the private Facebook group where I also give tidbits and tricks into the group and actually interact with the members there. So go ahead, join the group, I'll add you in and we can interact there on our community, guys. And this on YouTube, on this channel, this will be the place that I drop any new knowledge bombs that I learned along my journey to show you how you too can also have a $10,000 or more affiliate dashboard. And literally, this is just the beginning. Believe me. I'll see you guys on the next video, and until then, peace.